The dust of the amphitheater of Pergamon still hangs in the air, mingling with the scent of blood and iron. A young physician leans over the open flesh of a dying gladiator. He does not seek merely to close the wound, he seeks to understand the pulse. For him, that breach in the skin is a window into the body, a portal to the secrets of life itself. Claudius Galen was born into a cradle of marble and geometry, the son of a wealthy architect in what is now Turkey. His destiny seemed written among blueprints and columns, until one night, the god Asclepius entered his father's dreams. The divine command was clear. His son would not build temples of stone, but would decipher the temple of flesh. At 16, Galen abandoned the compass and square for the scalpel and the art of medicine. His journey led him to the shifting sands of Alexandria, the only place where human skeletons still told their stories. There, he learned that anatomy is the indispensable map of healing. Years later, in the heart of Rome, he challenged the scholars of his time. With a single, precise cut to the nerve of an animal, he silenced its cries without stopping its breath. He proved that the rational soul resides not in the heart, but in the crown of the brain. In the dimness of his home, Galen lived surrounded by an unusual collection: Barbary macaques, pigs, and even elephants. He was obsessed with the idea that nature does nothing in vain. He treated his animal subjects with almost sacred rigor, seeking in the likeness of a macaque the reflection of our own structure. He dissected day and night, convinced that every muscle was a poem written by a higher intelligence. But Galen carried a shadow that time could not erase. Roman law, as rigid as iron, always forbade him from opening a human corpse. This limitation forced him to project animal anatomy onto the human body, creating a map filled with errors that would endure for millennia. He attributed to humans 5-lobed livers and networks of veins that existed only in oxen. His scientific isolation became his tragedy. He was too brilliant for a world that denied him his true subject of study. Despite these barriers, his work became a cathedral that stood for 1,500 years. He systematized all the medical knowledge of antiquity into a canon no one dared to challenge until the Renaissance. His word was law, his books the final frontier of medical science for 17 centuries. He devised the system of the three spirits, a perfect interplay between the liver, the heart, and the mind. Galen faded into time, but his method of direct observation bequeathed to us the rigor of modern medicine. Though Vesalius corrected his errors centuries later, he did so using the very tools Galen had given us: dissection and the attentive eye. Today, every time a physician feels a pulse or prescribes a remedy, the spirit of Pergamon is still present. We are the result of his tireless curiosity, of his search for virtue in every fiber of the human body. We are Amautas.